How to log in to Spark Credit Card online account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your device. Then just search for Capital One and select the link that is on top right here. Okay, let's wait for some time. Now once you're on this website, what you can do is you can see the option of sign in just at the top right corner. Let's tap on it. Just tap on sign in online, and if you wish to, you can also download the app and sign in as usual. So once you're on this page, you have to enter your username, enter your password, and then simply tap on sign in. Now in case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can tap the option which says forgot username or password. Just tap on it in order to recover your details. Okay, let's wait for some time. Now over here you have to enter your last name, your social security number that was provided to you, your date of birth, and simply tap on find me so that the bank could find your account in order for you to recover your password or username. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.